Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Etsy seller account for 2026 sales step by step clearly. Visit the Etsy website. Click on sign in at the top right corner of the homepage. Select register to create a new account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password for your account. Choose a username that reflects your brand. Click on Register to complete the account setup. Check your email for a verification message from Etsy. Open the email and click on the verification link. Return to the Etsy homepage and sign in using your new account credentials. Once signed in, click on Sell on Etsy at the top of the page. Select Open your Etsy shop. Set your shop preferences by selecting your shop language, country, and currency. Click Save and Continue to proceed. Choose a name for your shop that is unique and memorable. Click Save and Continue after entering your shop name. Add listings for your products by clicking on Add a listing. Upload high-quality photos. Write compelling descriptions for each of your products. Set pricing for your items, including shipping costs. Add stock quantities for each product you list. Click Publish to make your listings live on your shop. Set up payment methods by selecting how you wish to receive payments. Provide the required information such as bank details and tax information. Review your shop policies, including shipping and return policies. Click on Save and Continue to finalize your payment settings. Complete your shop setup by filling out your profile information. Share a bit about yourself and your story as a seller. Click Save to update your profile. Review everything you've entered to ensure accuracy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.